Okay, so here is your daily traffic requirements guide and some tips for you. So basically, these are where you can send daily. That's by the company. If you're only a free member, you can only send daily. And this is for every 3 days for free members. This is for every 5 days. And then this here is a little different. You have to earn, they'll start you off with some free solos, but once they're gone, depending on your membership, they'll give you a certain amount of time you can send your solos. So I recommend clicking like 30 mils twice weekly. That way you can build up credits so you can pay for the free solos, because you need credits to buy the solos. These get a lot of clicks and a lot of signups. LuClick, this is even easier. You just click. They send you 5 ads a day. You just click them. It takes like a couple minutes. Just click on the 5 ads every day. And then you'll get credits, and then you just go, and once you get enough credits, you can purchase your own solo and then send that out. This you do daily. Just surf between 20 to 30 minutes in these traffic exchanges, and you have your link in there. Make sure you're just getting hits back to your link. This is automatic. Every day you just log in, you click on auto surf on each one of these, and you run it in the background for as long as you want. I recommend 10 to 12 hours a day. And traffic ad bar is your primary link now, so everything that you're sending to is bringing more hits back to traffic ad bar as well. So you're going to get a ton of traffic. So if you follow this guide, you're going to get, if you do it correctly, you're going to get over 100,000 hits per month to your website and tons of sales and signups. So this is your guide here, and then it's even going to get better because there's going to be a cheat sheet here for you on the next step here. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching.